I am very excited about this next product because it is just marvellous. It's been years in the research and the coming, and we're very lucky to have Terry Dowell here with us today from EZI Up and Go Tyre Repair Kit. Terry, this is a champion product. So Terry, you're out somewhere in the middle of the bush in your caravan and you get a flat. This is the one-stop shop, really, isn't it? You just plug it in and away you go.
Yeah, very simple. Having a kit in your car, it's ideal for if you're towing a caravan or a trailer, gets you out of trouble. If you've got a puncture, you just raise the bottle and injects the sealant into the tyre.
And also inflates it, so the job's done.
It takes about 5 minutes to inflate, if it's dead flat.
No need to pull out the jack, no need to go to the trouble of, or the wheel brace, or any of that, just it's a one-stop go.
Yeah.
So this is the kit. I'm really impressed at how compact it is, Terry. It's got everything. This is the plug that you will put into your cigarette lighter. On the back is the plug, or the tube that goes into your connector, into your tyre. Now, we can use it just as a compressor, or if you get a puncture, we can lift this up and switch it on and job's done. That easy.
Exactly.
That is amazing. And you can buy a replacement bottle.
Yeah.
And it lasts all those years.
Yes.
What a great product.